Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To preview the results of a mail merge in Word without sending the mail merge to a printer or creating an output document for review, you can use the buttons in the Preview Results button group on the Mailings tab in the ribbon. Doing this can help you spot errors before performing the mail merge. To do this, simply open your merge document. Then click the Preview Results button in the Preview Results button group on the Mailings tab in the ribbon. Doing this then shows a preview of the merge results in the document window. Then use the arrow buttons to the right of the Preview Results button to move through the records, inspecting them for errors in the document window. When finished, click the Preview Results button again to turn the preview off. Alternatively, to either simulate the merge and then have Word report any errors, or to actually perform the merge and then choose your method for handling any errors that may arise, click the Check for Errors button in the Preview Results button group on the Mailings tab in the ribbon. Doing this then opens the Checking and Reporting Errors dialog box. Here you select the method of error reporting you want Word to perform. Usually, simulate the merge and report errors in a new document is the safest option. However, you could also perform the merge and pause to report each error as it occurs, or simply report all errors in a separate document without pausing. Select your desired option, and then click the OK button when you are ready to check the document for merge errors.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.